What's up, Snyder Cards here. Today we've got another 21-22 Upper Deck Series 2 hobby box here. Gonna crack into it. Got the seal off. Gotta get the packs out. Of course, we'll be getting 6 Young Guns. Hopefully, Young Gun canvas would be nice. This is the 4th box on the channel. I'll just spread the packs out like this, why not? 4th box on the channel of Series 2. We've got a Mo Sider Blue Marquee Rookie. That's a good one to start off. Of course, Sider is the top Young Gun to get in Series 2. It'll basically pay for your box, which is nice. Got a canvas Kyle Okposo. Once again, these canvas design look great. Hopefully we can get a black one. First Young Guns. Boom. Cole Perfetti. That's a good start. Cole Perfetti Young Guns. We'll definitely we'll have a bigger role in Winnipeg this year. Joe Thornton retro. Got an honor roll, Phil Kessel. If you haven't seen the other Series 2 boxes, haven't done super great compared to the first box for Young Guns. First box we got a Raymond Young Gun, Vladimir Tkachev Marquee Rookie, the Lucas Raymond, biggest Young Gun from Series 2 that I've pulled so far. Probably the second one to get. There hasn't been like a crazy big exclusive or clear cut yet. Marquee Rookie Boris Katchouk. The Quinton Byfield would probably be the second biggest hit, the Young Gun. And then Series 1, the 2 boxes. Got the Cole Caulfield on opening day. Or release day, not opening day. Boris Katchouk Young Guns to go with the Marquee Rookie there. Honor roll, Brent Burns. I haven't gotten a rainbow parallel of the honor roll yet, which might be a good thing because I think that's considered a hit. And a numbered card to 250 of an insert, not a great hit. Seth Jones update on the Blackhawks. This. Got a Young Guns Karel Vejmelka. That's a good one. Arizona's #1 goalie. That's a pretty good one. Big surprise of the season last year. Canvas, Dylan Strome. This pack was hard to open. Oh, great. Wasn't really hoping for another one of these, but I think we've got the thing where it goes through the years of the player coming up. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I was wrong. Oh! Boom! Program of Excellence Black, Cole Perfetti. Oh, that's a big hit right there. Black UV Canvas Program of Excellence, Cole Perfetti. Boom. It's a big one. I thought I saw the acetate through the year card. That's a big hit right there. I'm not sure how much value, but that's a sweet, good hit right there. We've got a Mason Gertson, June Loops, French Young Gun. Not a great name there. Shoot, that's not great. Mason Gertson of the Devils there. Not the best French Young Guns to pull. I'll tell you that. Back-to-back packs, though. 2 amazing hits. Or 2 tough hits. I'm not sure if either of those count to the rare hit that we're supposed to get. Oscar Steen, marquee rookie. Oh, this is the card I was talking about, but I think I'm fine now. Can't remember what it's called. We've got another one here. Oh, and we got a Young Gun. It's behind it. William Eklund. That was a surprise. That's a good one there. Good one. Eklund on the Sharks. So we have another... I don't remember what it's called. Through the years, I'm assuming. Let's hope we get a decent one here. Okay. Who is this? Joe Pavelski. What is it called? Oh, NHL Passages. Joe Pavelski. That's a pretty good one there. Of course, he was on the Sharks for a while and then signed a deal with the Stars and free agency a couple years ago. Dang. Another one of these. This box has been pretty good. Still need like 1 or 2 Young Guns. The second box I broke of series. Lucas Raymond, Blue Dazzlers. That's a good one. That's a rookie one there. Sweet. The second box of Series 2 I opened on the channel had a passages of Mark Giordano. That was a hit, which wasn't great. It's a cool card, but just wasn't the greatest name. First portraits, Jake Leschyshyn. That's we haven't seen any portraits yet. Let's see. Got a retro of Mike Hardman, marquee rookie. Not expecting much. Young Guns, Jonah Gadjovich. Another Young Guns. Got, Jacob Bernard Docker, Young Guns. Of the Sens. Not a bad player there. What do we got here? We got a Pierre-Luc Dubois canvas in Winnipeg there. Seems like he wants out, but then apparently he didn't request for a trade, even though he said he's going to test free agency next year, so he's going to be traded sooner or later, though. Canvas, Josh Norris. That's a second-year one. Final pack. Here we go. Not expecting much. I think it's probably a portrait. I think we've hit our Young Guns. Yep, it's a portrait. Mason McTavish, not a bad one to end it. Tavish Portraits rookie there. So there we have it. Box 4 of Series 2 there. Did all right. We got this pretty sweet Cole Perfetti Program of Excellence Black. Anyways, thanks everyone for watching. Stay tuned for another video. Probably won't have much box breaks coming up soon, as this was the last box I bought for a while. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you later.